Mississippi's trusted weather experts. This is Mississippi Live Weather This Morning.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. As always, thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live Weather This Morning. Hope you have your cup of coffee on your Tuesday morning and you are ready to go. Here's what you need to know as you're headed out the door this morning. We're still seeing a very dry forecast ahead. We saw maybe a few of those showers I was talking about yesterday come to fruition. Most of us stayed very dry. Same story today. Temperatures will get better by the weekend. So yes, it's been a little bit warm out there. It's going to continue to be, but weekend looking nice and the tropics are still active in something to talk about. So we'll talk about that in just a minute. Current satellite and radar seeing a few clouds starting to pour into the area. A lot of us, though, seeing a lot of sunshine. Northwest Mississippi getting in a little bit more of that cloud cover this morning than the rest of us. Here's the thing, still very dry and still very sunny for most. Take a look over in Greenwood. Temperatures in the middle 60s over there. Yeah, you can see a few clouds. Here's a look over in Pontotoc. Most of us waking up again a lot like this. Lots of blue skies out there this morning and temperatures in the middle 60s. So yeah, that's the majority of us. Take a look at temperatures across the board. Most of us in the middle to low 60s. So some of us sit in the low 60s, 61 in Water Valley, 61 over in Oxford, 61 in Bruce, even upper 50s, still hanging on to the upper 50s in places like Holly Springs and up in Alcorn County as well. Temperature change, most of us sitting anywhere between 3 to 5 degrees warmer than we started yesterday. So definitely another warm start to your day. Temperatures in the low 60s as we head over your next hour, upper 80s by 1. Yeah, we're back in the upper 80s today. So majority of us topping out right near 90, which is like we did yesterday. Take a look at satellite and radar. We are seeing again that cloud cover starting to pour into our area, but dry conditions, really kind of quiet forecasts across a good portion of the United States. But take a look at just at the tropics right off to the east. Yes, we're still dealing with not one, but two named storms this morning. So still not looking at any landfall potential out of either of these storms, but some rip current issues definitely could be things of that nature into the Carolinas. So again, we'll talk about that in just a minute. Let's head into this afternoon. Again, those are still going to be swirling into the Atlantic. Us here in North Mississippi, though, looking to stay dry this afternoon. As we head into your Wednesday, a little bit more cloud cover out the door. Maybe a few showers trying to push north from the Gulf Coast, but I think a majority of Wednesday looking dry as well. So still going to need to water those plants midweek. Same story as we head into Thursday, starting off dry, ending your day dry as well. So pretty dry work week out there. That's why I say continue to water your plants. We'll talk next about when our next best chance of rain is in the forecast, because we do have better chances in the next 7 days. We'll also talk about that all important weekend forecast. Yes, it is going to be nicer out there. So we'll talk about just how nice things are going to be getting all coming up, Bretta.
Hey, you there! Ever try to do something in under 6 minutes? Anything, like, say, grow a beard. I bet you can't. At Sweet Pepper's Deli, you get quality food in under 6 minutes. Now, how about that? Sweet Pepper's Deli. Life is sweet.
I don't remember how it started.
Go to that.
Our back and forth. It always came back. You probably don't remember what you told me.
That was perfect.
But I heard every word.
I know you're going through a lot. I wonder if you know that we can get help. Let's see how far we can go. Love, your mind.
Right now, from the Room to Room Weather Center, here's meteorologist Maggie McAuley.
Hey, welcome back to the Room to Room Weather Center. Meteorologist Maggie McAuley. Happy Tuesday out there. Let me give you a live look of what's going on. If you haven't stepped out your door this morning, here's a live look over in Oktibbeha County, Starkville, Mississippi. Beautiful conditions on the campus of Mississippi State. Beautiful ongoing sunrise right now. Not even a lot of clouds in the sky. Temperatures in the low 60s. From Starkville over into Tupelo. Great sunrise over there as well. A lot like yesterday, because again, not tracking a whole lot of clouds out there. Temperatures in the middle 60s over in Lee County. Most of us starting off in the 60s in general this morning. Take a look at Mississippi Live radar, not tracking anything out the door for you for your Tuesday morning, so nothing to slow you down in the weather department on those roadways. For the airways, not tracking any moderate or major delays region-wide, so that's some good news. If you're heading out, maybe hopping on a flight this morning, you are good to go. Not tracking, again, any delays, any moderate delays across the board. Your school bus forecast, as for your drop-off, we're going to see temperatures in the middle 60s, so a little bit warmer for those kiddos, in the middle 80s for your pickup times. Take a look at your high temperatures out there on your Tuesday. Upper 80s across the board, back to near 90. Yep, a lot like yesterday. 89 Tupelo, 89 in Starkville, 88 in Eupora. Some of us near 90 over in the Delta. Overall, what you need to know, carbon copy of yesterday for today. This is till noon, good to go, dry conditions. Yes, maybe a few very isolated light showers trying to pop up in the afternoon like yesterday afternoon. I would not count yourself so lucky. If you do get one, good for you. If not, most of us stay very dry. And again, continue to water those plants if you still have some out there. As we head into your Tuesday evening, things look to stay dry all the way to Wednesday. So look, starting off your Wednesday morning, dry as well. Lots of clouds in the forecast. As we head into the afternoon, we could see a little bit more shower activity for Wednesday, mainly for our southern counties. I'm talking Kosciuszko to Macon, maybe trying to creep into the Golden Triangle region for your afternoon. I think this model is a little too ambitious, okay? I think we could maybe see a few showers, maybe as far as north as Grenada, Golden Triangle region, and south. A few trying to creep up for your Wednesday. About a 10% chance is at best. Again, that model is a little bit too ambitious in my opinion. Take a look at high temperatures over your next 7 days. Yes, we're going to be warmer over the next few. So upper 80s all the way through your Thursday, but take a look. Friday, Saturday, Sunday back in the middle 80s. So we do see a little bit of a cool down for your weekend ahead. I know that's some good news for those Friday night football games, also for those SEC football games as well. Let's talk about the tropics before I let you go and see your 7-day forecast. We're still seeing Hurricane Humberto and then also Imelda making an impact as well, looking to strengthen into a hurricane as we head into this afternoon, but not there yet. Take a look at both of these tracks. Yes, they're both looking to make their way back into the Atlantic. Imelda is supposed to take a hard right turn as we head throughout your day ahead. So both of these, again, I know I have these tracks kind of overlaying each other. They're not looking to cross paths, but I wanted to show you the overall impacts. They're both looking to take that turn to the right, head back out into the Atlantic. Imelda, yes, might have some impacts on the eastern coastline, maybe for the Carolinas. We're talking maybe some potential rip current situation, some flash flooding situation because of how close it's going to be getting, but no landfall expected. So that is some good news. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast here in North Mississippi, upper 80s all the way through your Thursday. We take it back to the middle 80s on your Friday, same story Saturday and Sunday. So a little bit cooler, more around average for this time of year. Rain chances, well, you see it there. Not a lot going on. We don't see any really good rain chances until we head into our next work week. So that's why I say keep watering those plants. It's going to be almost 7 days before we see any widespread measurable rainfall. So definitely a dry forecast nonetheless out there. Make sure to keep tuning in with us this morning. In the next really 20 minutes, I'll be right back here at 7 and 7:30 to get you out the door, everything you need to know coming up.
Life doesn't always give you time to change the outcome. Prediabetes does. With early diagnosis, prediabetes can be reversed. Take the 1-minute prediabetes risk test today. Go to doihaveprediabetes.org.
For decades, I've taught you everything I know. But only you can prevent wildfires.